Welcome to our comparison of two leading security camera systems, the Hiseeu Wireless Pro and the REOLINK 4K security camera. Today, we will delve into their features, specifications, and pricing to determine which system offers the best value for your home security needs. With the rise of smart home technology, choosing the right surveillance system is crucial for ensuring safety and peace of mind. Let's get started. The Hiseeu Wireless Pro utilizes advanced wireless technology, allowing for easy installation and flexibility in camera placement. In contrast, the REOLINK 4K security camera relies on a Power over Ethernet (PoE) connection, which, while providing stable power and data transmission, requires more effort to install due to the need for cabling. Each system has its advantages, depending on your installation preferences and environment. When it comes to video quality, the REOLINK 4K security camera stands out with its stunning 8 megapixels resolution, providing crystal clear images and detailed footage. On the other hand, the Hiseeu Wireless Pro offers a respectable 5 megapixels resolution, which is adequate for most home security needs, but lacks the clarity and detail of 4Ks. If high-resolution video is a priority for you, the REOLINK system is the clear winner. Price is a significant factor when choosing a security camera system. The Hiseeu Wireless Pro is priced at $199, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the REOLINK 4K security camera comes with a hefty price tag of $999, reflecting its advanced features and higher resolution. While the REOLINK system offers superior technology, the Hiseeu provides excellent value for those looking for an affordable yet effective security solution. In conclusion, both the Hiseeu Wireless Pro and the REOLINK 4K security camera have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-install option, the Hiseeu system may be the right choice for you. However, if you prioritize high-resolution video and advanced features, the REOLINK system is worth the investment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.